Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Firstly guys, I need to mention that this is the most easiest way to get up to this problem, and it's so easy and so quick process. Go to your profile section on your Instagram and then select the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then select the first selection, which is settings. What you need to do next, as you hear all these getting through all these settings right here, you need to choose the privacy section, the fourth selection. Then also here you have many options here, but you need to go for story site, the seventh selection. Now as you can see here, you have many options which are related to that saving option, and you need to make sure that this save story to archive is turned on. If it's turned off, you need to get it and turn it on. Now guys, I think that this could help you a lot and get fixed this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys, and have a nice day.